What is up, everyone? It's your girl Rayvon from Love Lola. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, what's up? If you are new, then just hang out for a little bit, and if you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Princess Bride project box from So Girly Fun. And look how cute the box, I've kind of scribbled on it, but look how cute the box is. So this box is a collaboration of some great small businesses. These are all women-owned businesses. Most of us know most of them because we're such a small, knit community in the sewing community. But yeah, I'm super pumped to do this unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. The collaboration is, okay, let me say this. When I open boxes, I destroy them. Dave makes fun of me, like, Rayvon, what happened to the chips? Why is the cereal box in pieces? I'm horrible at opening boxes, but I'm going to try to do justice to this box by not destroying it because it's so pretty. Okay, there we go. Oh, yay! So there's quite a few people who are involved in this box. Oh, I love when they send notes. I'm going to read that later. Look how cute. The sticker. Super cute. So girly fun. I have some information on it, but it's quite a bit, and I don't want to bore you by just reading. So I'm going to just talk about it as I go through it, and you'll see who all has been a part of this project. It looks like K-Deal Handmade is on it. I believe that's her pattern. Obviously, So Girly Fun. It's already fun. New Moxie. Saya Swag. So Kitchen Cold and So Side. So let's get started right here. This little bag is going to be from, I want to say New Moxie. I believe that's their symbol. Yep, the New Moxie store. Y'all have been edge painting, so please excuse what you see on my hand. It stains. So this is a zipper pull. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Soak that in. I'm getting closer and closer because I want you to be aware of how great this looks. Is that enough? Okay. So this is, it looks like a gunmetal. Very nice. And she has some some webbing in there. It looks like it's about 1 inch. And the print is on both sides. I think I have it backwards. Try that again. Very cute. I would say that this is like a seatbelt webbing. Some zipper tape in there as well. Very nice coordination with what we got going on here. Oh my goodness, there's a tiara. So Stitchin' Cold. So the surprise tiara is from So Stitchin' Cold. How cute is this? Beautiful. So pretty. Okay, and we've got this spool of thread from Saya. This is Tex 70, and the color is Lipstick Red. It's 3,000 meters. Very pretty. Open it up so you can get how vivid this color really is. Super pretty. Very nice. And the turn lock is from So Girly Fun. The turn lock, the gunmetal rings, the slider adjuster, and a yard of webbing is going to be from So Girly Fun. Okay, so I think this webbing is actually from So Girly Fun. And the zipper was from New Moxie. All the information is down. If I may not be saying it right. Yeah. Yeah, so I think it just depends on the box where it's coming from. Very nice. This is also from So Girly Fun. Some nice, pretty, shiny gunmetal pieces. Very nice. We've got some rose gold clips. These are from Saya Swag. These are really pretty. Oh, how cute. This pin is from So Girly Fun. There we go, that's better. Okay. Ooh, let's get into the main event. Look how cute this panel is. I've never sewn with a panel before, so this is new for me. This is gonna be fun. Very pretty. Very pretty. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Oh look, it goes perfectly, duh, with the strap. Too cool. I must admit, I'm not like, I don't know much about these characters and stuff. I wonder if these are like real characters to movies or if this is just a print that she came up with. Either way, it's adorable. So cute. Oh gosh. Here's some more canvas. It's got some different sayings on it. Good night, sleep well. Welcome to the pit of despair. Death cannot stop true love. Very cute. And this is a canvas. I like the way it feels. I haven't sewn much with canvas either, and but the last one I did with it from Weft and Warp, I really loved it. So I think I'm going to be exploring with canvas a little more. So this is right on time. Let me show you what the back of this. This is a canvas. It's not as, it's a little bit softer than the blue canvas right underneath me. Okay, this is what the underside of it looks like. You see it's a little bit see-through. It feels nice. The colors are really vivid. This piece has the same feel to it. This piece has the same feel to it. The blue canvas is a lot thicker. It's like kind of crisp. You can hear it. And almost has the feel of a light denim almost. Okay, so yeah, this is some really cute stuff, and I just love the idea of everyone getting together and collaborating like that. So that's fun. Definitely check it out. It's enough. I was looking over some posts, and it's enough to make the pattern that comes with it, and some people are having enough left over to make another bag as well, you know, obviously depending on the other bag. So it's a nice bit of material to get you going and to play around with some other pieces as well. Thank you so much, Susie, for allowing me to do this unboxing. I absolutely love everything that you guys came up with. Everything looks great together, very well put together. So as soon as I get some time, I will be making this bag, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go. I have another tutorial to record right after this. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.